Hello, how are you today? My name is Carlos and I want to talk about this macro lens. If you love macro photography, this could be a cheap option to start. I also have this filter that makes your lens macro. I'm going to put a link in the description if you want to see some examples. But returning to this lens, I really like it. It's really cheap. Even if it is completely made of metal, you can tell right away that the quality is not the best, but you can create really decent photos. I really like it. This is 4x zoom to 4.5x zoom, and the aperture is 2 to all the way to 16, and it has this plastic cap that doesn't attach to anything. It just goes by pressure, and that's the only thing I don't like, but I really like these rings. I think to adjust the zoom or the aperture, it goes really smooth and precise. Also, this completely made manual. Doesn't have anything electronic on it, so you have to do all the work, which sometimes is the best. And you can make really decent photos. One of the things that I saw online is that there's people that said that it fall apart, or that I didn't fit the cameras. One of the things is that I don't know, I use it a lot. I took a lot of photos. The one that you're seeing is just a few that I choose just because they have certain details that I like. But I mean, I even drop it by accident, which you should never drop anything, and more when it's photography related. And still fine, but just as a disclaimer, this is the only thing my experience with this one. I don't know if I was lucky that I have this type of lens, and yours can fall apart. So just have that in mind. Another thing is that I know they make this one for Sony and Canon, so just choose the right one. But overall, you can have fun, you can create really cool things. One of the things that you need to think about macro photography is that when you go to this tiny world, you need more light. You need a tripod to be able to play with the shutter speed and really have more light into your camera. And one of the things that I didn't do, because I was so excited when I got it, and I only had my camera, I didn't have anything on my gear. I just took photos with my handhelds, or I just put it somewhere and I tried to make it work. So it wasn't perfect. I know I need to make more examples with maybe my flash. But just to let you know, I use this flashlight. I don't know if you can see on the desk. It doesn't have a lot of power, but it still allow me to do certain effects. There's a couple ones that I did handheld that like the carpet that I had to use the ISO because I didn't have enough light. But still, I think you can do pretty decent, and just seeing it, it's just amazing. No, I I really like it. So I hope that with the images you kind of have an idea what this lens can do. If you have any comment, any questions, please put it below. If you want me to do more videos about photography, also let me know. And remember, shoot, create, and use your creativity. See you next time. See ya.